Hello children, Sairam. Today we are going to do chapter 3 subtraction revision part 1. Children, take out your mathematics textbook, eraser, pencil and your colors. Children, open chapter number 3 subtraction. Go to page number 45. Let us do question number 1. Count, color and write the answer. Let's do question number B, that is 6 minus 4. When we take away 4 rabbits from 6 rabbits, 2 rabbits are left. So children, write 2 in the box. Now color 2 rabbits. Finish coloring? Very good. Children, now let us do question C, 5 minus 1. Children, when one ball is taken away from 5 balls, 4 balls are left. So write 4 in the box. Very good. Now children, color 4 balls. Finish coloring. Very good. Now let us do question D. Children, 4 minus 2. Okay. When 2 toy horse is taken away from 4 toy horses, 2 toy horses are left. So children, write 2 in the given box. Yes. Now you have to color 2 toy horses. Finish coloring? Very good. Now let us do question E. Children, let us take away 3 oranges from 6 oranges. So, let us write 3 in the given box. Now children, you have to color 3 oranges. Very good. Done. Let us do question number 2. Cross the smaller number and write the answer. Question A is already done. So, let us do B. 7 minus 2. Here we have to cross 2 ice creams. 1, 2. Now how many ice creams are left? 5. Therefore 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Or 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Finish writing children. Now let us do question C. That is 8 minus 5. So let us cross the smaller number 5. Cross 5 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dogs are left? 3. Therefore 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Or 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So write 3 children. Finished? Very good. Now let us do question D. Here we have to minus 3 from 4. So let us cross 3 scooters. 1, 2, 3. Now how many scooters are left? 1. Therefore 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Or 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So write 1 in the circle. Very good. Now let us do question E. Here children, we have to minus 4 from 9 baseballs. So let us cross 4 baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count and see how many baseballs are there. 5. Therefore 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Write 5 in the circle children. Or 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So write again 5 in the circle. Very good. Now let us do question F. Here we have to minus the smaller number 1. That is, we are going to cross 1 fish. 1. Now how many fishes are left? 2. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Write 2 down also because 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now, let us go to question number 3. Subtract the numbers. Let us do A. Children, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Write 0. Now, let us go to the next. 8 minus 5. How much is 8 minus 5, children? 3. Write 3. Let us go to the next one. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, write 3. Let us do question D. 9 minus 7. How much is 9 minus 7? 2. So, write 2. Let us go to the next one. 5 minus 3 is 2. Very good. Next one. 3 minus 2 is 1. Finish writing, children. Very good. Now, children, let us do question number 4. Match the correct answer. Here, children, on the left hand side we have purple colored columns, and on the right hand side we have blue colored columns. So let us find the correct answer and match it. First, let us do A. Children, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So let us draw a line towards number 2. Finished drawing? Very good. Now let us do B. 7 minus 6. How much is 7 minus 6? 1. So let us draw a line towards number 1 on the right hand side, blue colored column. Very good. Now let us do C. 8 minus 3. How much is 8 minus 3? 5. Now let us draw a line to number 5. Very good. Finish drawing, children. Now let us do question D. 6 minus 3. How much is 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is 3. Again here also let us draw a line to 3. Now the last one, that is 9 minus 5. Children, think and say, how much is 9 minus 5? 4. So let us draw a line towards number 4. Very good. Now, children, let us go to question number 5. Put a tick or a cross. Ready, children? Let us do A. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Children, is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. So, therefore, let us put a tick. Now let us move on to B. 5 minus 2 is equal to 4. Is it correct, children? No. So let us put a cross because 5 minus 2 is 3 and not 4. Children, let us do C. 8 minus 4 equal to 5. Do you think it is correct, children? No. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, let us put a cross. Now, let's do next. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is correct. So, put a tick. Now, let's move on to the next question. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So, put a tick. Now, children, let us do the last one. 9 minus 4 is equal to 3. Do you think 9 minus 4 is 3? No. So, let us put a cross because 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now, let us go to page number 49. 49 and let us do little genius. Children, here look at the examples. Okay, see properly. Can you see A, B, G, D, C, T, N, I, S alphabets written in a line? Yes, and below that its value is given. A is 1, B is 2, G is 3, D is 4, C is 5, T is 6, N is 8, I is 9, S is 0. So accordingly we have to see the values of the alphabets and then we have to subtract it. See, for example, IN is equal to 1, that is value of I is 9 and value of N is 8. Therefore 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, so now let us go to the next one. IT is equal to how much? We have to find out. So value of I is how much, children? Look at the table given up. Value of I is 9. T is 6. Therefore 9 minus 6. Let us write it down. And 9 minus 6 is 3. So write 3 in the box. Now let us go to the next one. Value of A and S, that is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So let us write 1 in the box. Now let us go to I and S, that is we have to write the value of I and S. 9 minus 0. Therefore 9 minus 0 is 9. Now children, let us do the next solved example. Okay, here CAB is equal to 2, that is value of C is 5, value of A is 1, value of B is 2. When we minus 1 from 5, we get 4, and from 4 we minus 2, answer is 2. Similarly, let us do the remaining 3 sums. Okay, first let us do DAB. So value of D is 4, value of A is 1, value of B is 2. Therefore let us write 4 minus 1 minus 2. Children, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So let us write the answer 1. Now let us do the next one. GAS. Value of G is 3, value of A is 1, value of S is 0. Therefore let us write 3 minus 1 minus 0. Therefore 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 0 is 2. So let us write 2 in the box. Now let us do the last one, that is TAB. Value of T is 6, value of A is 1, value of B is 2. Therefore let us write 6 minus 1 minus 2. Now 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore let us write 3 in the box. Finish writing, children? Children, go to page number 50, that is 50. Now let us do question number 7. Subtract the numbers on the number line. Ready with page number 50, children? Okay. Let us do question A. 8 minus 4 is equal to how much? We have to find out. Ready? Children, first circle number 8 on the number line. Now from number 8, we have to jump 4 times towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. After jumping 4 times, where did we reach on number 4? So children, put a tick on number 4. Yes. Now write 4 in the given box. That is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now let us do question B. 7 minus 5. Children, on the number line, can you see number 7? Yes, put a circle on number 7. Very good. Now from 7, let us jump 5 times towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After jumping 5 times, where did we reach? We reached on number 2. Put a tick on number 2 and write number 2 in the given box. That is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now children, let us do C. 9 minus 2. Come on children, circle 9. Jump 2 times towards the left side. 1, 2. Put a tick on number 7. And now write number 7 in the box. Therefore children, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now let's move on to the next question. That is 5 minus 1. So children, put a circle on number 5. Here, jump 1 times towards the left. 1. On what number did you reach? 4. Put a tick on number 4. Therefore children, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now let us move on to the next question. Now let us do little genius on the same page. Subtract on the number line. Let us do 7 minus 2 minus 3. Children, circle number 7. Now jump 2 times towards the left. 1, 2. Now put a tick on number 5. Now again from number 5, we have to jump 3 times towards the left. 1, 2, 3. Put a tick on number 2. Children, 7 minus 2 minus 3 is 2. Everyone finished writing? Very good. Children, take out page number 51. Let us do question number 8. Subtract the numbers. Let us do question A. 7 minus 4. In order to do this subtraction, children, you can use your fingers. Ready children? 7 minus 4. Yes, 3. Now write children 3. Now let us do the next one. 6 minus 1. Ready with your answer children? Yes, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now let us do 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So write 3 children. Now children, let us do question D. 3 minus 2. Children, ready with your answers? How much is 3 minus 2? 1. Write 1. Now let us move on to the next question. 5 minus 5. You can use your fingers children. Ready? Yes, 5 minus 5 is 0. Write 0. Now let us move on to the next question. That is 9 minus 6. How much is 9 minus 6 children? 3. So write 3. Now let us go to the question G. 8 minus 2. You can use your fingers children. Ready? Okay. How much is 8 minus 2? 6. So write 6. Now let us go to the next question. That is 6 minus 4. you can use your fingers. Okay. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Children, write 2 in the box. All are writing, isn't it? Very good. Now let us go to the next question. That is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Write down 2, children. Let us move on to the next question. 9 minus 3. Here, how much is 9 minus 3, children? Yes, you are right. 6. So write down number 6. Now let us go to the next question. K. 3 minus 1. It's very easy, isn't it? How much is 3 minus 1? 2. So write down 2. Let us go to the last one. 5 minus 4. Children, ready? Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Everyone finished writing? Very good. Children, slowly turn the page. Go to page number 52. Let us do question number 9, word problems. Children, question A, B and C, Kalyani Miss has already done in the previous video of chapter 3, subtraction. So let us continue with question D. Children, Anandita climbed up 9 stairs. She came down 4 stairs. On which stair is she now? Children, how many stairs Anandita climbed? 9. So let us write 9 in the first box. And she came down 4 stairs. How many stairs she came down? 4. So let us write number 4 in the next column. Therefore, children, by using your fingers, you can do the subtraction. Okay. 9 minus 4 is 5. Therefore, Anandita is on the 5th stair. Write 5th stair now. Finish writing, children? Now, children, let us do question E. There were 8 cookies in a container. How many cookies? 8 cookies. So let us write 8 in the first box. Darsh took out 3 cookies. From this container, how many cookies Darsh took away? 3. So let us write 3 in the next column. Now, children, how many cookies are left in the container? That is 8 minus 3. Come on, you can use your fingers. Ready? Yes, 8 minus 3 is 5. So children, 5 cookies are left in the container. So let us write the answer, 5 cookies. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now let us go to the next question, F. Children, there were 7 rats jumping on the sticks. How many rats were jumping on the sticks? 7. So let us write 7 in the first box. 1 rat ran away. How many rats ran away? 1. So let us write number 1 in the next box. Now, children, how many rats are left? We have to find out how many rats are left. 7 minus 1 is 6. Children, now 6 rats are left on the stick. So let us write the answer, 6 rats. Children, did you all finish writing? So children, today we have completed writing in mathematics textbook till page number 52 in chapter 3, subtraction. Children, we will continue from page number 53 onwards in the next period. Bye, children. Take care.